New Delhi railway station is one of the busiest railway stations in India, serving millions of commuters every year. While the station is equipped with modern amenities, it has been challenging for people with disabilities to navigate through the station. However, Anuprayaas in association with Standard Chartered Bank has made the station accessible for everyone. Anuprayaas, a social organization that works towards the accessible travel for people with disabilities, in association with Standard Chartered Bank, have made the Delhi railway station more accessible for people with disabilities. We have installed Braille maps, Braille booklets at the Delhi railway station, making it easier for people with visual impairments to navigate the station. We also installed QR codes that provide information about the station in both English and Hindi. The Braille signages provide important information such as the location of exits, washrooms, ticket counters, and platforms, while the water booth signages help direct travelers to the nearest water dispensers. Platform indicators and illuminating strips have been installed at the station, making travel experience safer and more convenient than ever before. With these new features, people will be able to easily identify the train's platform and stay safe while boarding. Portable ramps and wheelchairs are also provided for wheelchair users so that they can board trains easily and independently. These facilities have made a huge difference in the lives of people with disabilities who use the Delhi railway station. They can now travel independently. This project was made possible through the CSR initiatives of Standard Chartered Bank. We invite other organizations to join us in making a positive impact on the lives of people with disabilities. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video to spread the word about the importance of accessibility for all.